So let's start the new topic, right in the Indian Constitution. If you talk about the Constitution of India, my dear student, guaranteed the 6 fundamental right. 6 fundamental right की गारंटी देता है, and these 6 fundamental right are the true spirit of the democracy. So we will discuss all these 6 fundamental right one by one. और इसको हम देखेंगे कि जो 6 fundamental right हैं, what kind of provisions are given here. So if you talk about in length that what are the fundamental rights are given by the Indian Constitution. Number 1, right to equality. Second is right to freedom. Third is right against exploitation. Number 4, right to freedom of religion. Number 5, cultural and education right. And last but not the least, right to constitutional remedies. These are the 6 fundamental rights which are mentioned in our constitution, and these 6 fundamental rights protect the safeguard to the citizen of India and all the peoples. Nearly 140 crore peoples of India are protected by these fundamental rights, and no one can stop to using these, no one can stop to enjoying these fundamental rights. किसी भी भारतीय से ये अधिकार नहीं छीने जा सकते हैं. These rights are guaranteed by the constitutions, and the framer of the Indian Constitution ensure कि जो भी अधिकार भारतीय संविधान में लिखित हैं उन समस्त अधिकारों का प्रयोग भारत के नागरिक सुव्यवस्थित रूप से करें, और इसी आधार पर देयर आर 6 फंडामेंटल राइट हैव बीन गिवन इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एंड दीज फंडामेंटल राइट मेक अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया is a democratic country, is a republic country, is a sovereign country, is a secular country. All kind of provisions are included in these fundamental rights. So we are here to just discuss all these rights one by one. First of all, we will take the right to equality, then right to freedom, then this, then this, then this, then this, and we will cover all 6 fundamental rights. This is the very important question can become in your examination about what are the rights, and just explain any particular right. Right to equality पूछ सकते हैं, right to freedom पूछ सकते हैं, right against exploitation पूछ सकते हैं, right to freedom of religion, culture, remedies, all these things can be asked. So being a social science educator, I suppose to just explain each and every right in a systematic way. So let's start with this all these rights in the next lecture.